Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to use a baseline and spreadsheets for reporting. We start by making a baseline of our initial schedule. We call the baseline initial. The baseline can be shown or hidden with a checkbox. You can compare the actual schedule with the baseline after we update the duration of some tasks in the schedule. The comparison between the actual schedule and the baseline can be absolute or relative. As an example, we set the completion to 50% of all tasks. The status report shows the planned value, the actual cost, and the earned value in a chart. The time variance shows the time difference between the currently earned value and the same planned value. You can make your own reports with calculations and charts by publishing the schedule in a Google spreadsheet. After creating a new spreadsheet, you can update the spreadsheet with changes made to the schedule. This preserves your calculations and charts in the spreadsheet. We open the spreadsheet by clicking the link. In the spreadsheet, each task takes one row. To get an overview with multiple schedules, you can report each schedule to a dashboard. You can select an existing dashboard or create a new dashboard first. You can update the dashboard with changes made to the schedule later. We open the dashboard by clicking the link. In the dashboard, a schedule takes one row. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.